In this video, we want to show you how to make the cleaning solution and how to prepare the cleaning sponges. You need a cleaning kit from Sarsted APS, consisting of a filter bag, cleaning sponges, and an ActiClor tablet. Please note, if you have a Tempus 1800 system, you need gray sponges, and if you have a Tempus 600 system, you need white sponges. For cleaning, you also need a liter of water and a container. Dissolve the ActiClor tablet completely in the water before starting the cleaning process. Put the cleaning sponges in the cleaning solution. Make sure the cleaning sponges are wet by squeezing and releasing them in the cleaning solution 3 times. Now you can start the cleaning process. Cleaning sponges are single-use only. Do not leave the cleaning sponges in the cleaning solution for more than max 30 minutes. The cleaning sponges might expand and become too large and can get stuck inside the system. The cleaning solution must be used the same day. Discharge the cleaning solution by pouring it into the sink.